Welcome to Z-Index. In this tutorial, I will show how to add excellent FAQ section in a WordPress website. We are using WPB Advanced FAQ plugins to add FAQ in our website. Download and install the plugins in your website. Don't forget to add category when you adding any question. These posts not added under any category. So, I will update the categories. Now go to Category section, collect the shortcode and add in the FAQ page. We do not have any FAQ page yet, so I will create a new one to add the shortcode. If you visit the page, you will notice those category FAQs are listed on the page. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe us.